Hey, welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana, and today we are talking about singing with thankfulness. Hey, are you somebody who has a few go-to songs that match your mood? You might have certain songs that you play when you work out, but different songs that you play when you're studying. Many of us, we have songs that we love to hear when it's been a hard day, but we have different songs that we choose to play when it's a celebration or we're driving in our car or something good is happening. Think about it. At most sports championship celebrations, they are not playing classical music in the background as soon as the buzzer sounds. No, they are blasting high energy jams. And likewise, at many libraries, the background music is more subtle. Can you imagine if this big, bold marching band music was pumping from the library or from hospital rooms? Man, oftentimes music matches the mood of the situation. Well, in this Devo series, we are looking at what the Bible has to say about thankfulness. And today, it is going to tell us to sing with thanksgiving. Let's check it out first. So Psalm 95, verses 1 through 3, it says this. It says, "Come, let us sing to the Lord. Let us shout joyfully to the rock of our salvation. Let us come to him with thanksgiving. And let us sing psalms of praise to him. For the Lord is a great God, a great King above all gods." Today's verse is inviting us to sing, to praise, to make music out of a thankful heart. So what exactly are we to be thankful for? Well, it says sing to the Lord for, which you could say, sing to the Lord because the Lord is great. The Lord is highest. He is above all else. So just like we often have a soundtrack to match our mood or to match our circumstances, what if today we thought about bringing this soundtrack of thankfulness to God? What if you made up your own song and you made up a song of thanks and you sang it to God? It doesn't matter if it sounds horrible. It's never going to be on a record. You just say what's in your heart and say, God, here's what's bubbling up from my heart. Or what if you created a playlist of songs that help you show thankfulness for God and for God's character? You wherever you listen to music, you just gather up a few songs and put them on repeat this week that help you be thankful to God. And get this, the great thing about a thankfulness soundtrack, you can play it at any time. That's right. No matter what the mood is, whether you're feeling weary, indifferent, sluggish, or if you're hyped and excited and things are good, you can always choose in both of those extremes to sing thankfulness to God. So try it today. Try singing or humming or making a noise of thankfulness to the Lord because of who he is. No matter the circumstances, we can sing thankfulness. And I think you're going to discover that as you do, this generous gift of God is going to surprise you. He's going to help empower you or comfort you or provide a moment of peace in your heart and your mind as you choose to sing the thankfulness soundtrack back to him. So have fun with it today. Have fun with the thankfulness soundtrack. Give it a try and let's sing thankfully to God.